Here we have a Ryder whittling knife. It's a traditional style one-clip blade. This one has two pen blades. Some of them have a clipping blade and a pen blade. You can tell there's some stain on the blades. It looks like rust because it's carbon steel. It's fairly hard carbon steel too. This holds an edge quite well. It's super sharp. It'll take a very high sharpness. And actually in my whittling, this actually is the go-to because this performs excellent. Let me show you the model number here. RR I'll have to post it in the description. That is a fine knife and is very pocketable and can be used as you would an ordinary stockman knife.